I'm back in the woods today, trying to get more cherry for my spoons. I have to cut this huge piece now to length and split it. So I already started splitting some smaller pieces, and I have icy rain falling now. See? Little pieces of ice falling down. It's not a fun day for working in the woods. Yeah. Well, I'll do my best.
Ooh, ice is getting bigger and bigger now. Oh man.
Weather is turning back to worse again. Man, not a dull day today, that's for sure. And it's quite cold. I had to get the jacket because it's very cold. Okay, let's do this. Oh, see, this part is rotten and knotty and gnarly. It's terrible. Won't use that. But this part here has good parts and rotten parts, so I need to get out the good stuff. Let's see. Yeah, need to do some splitting from here probably, and this part I'm going to remove. Maybe let's first remove this part. So I remove the rot and everything. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to try to remove this part here. It's rotten, it's terrible, gnarly, and there's some kind of growth here, so it's really destroying the grain here. So basically I want to get this part out. This is just going to be mostly rubbish, but maybe something here, maybe we'll see. Trying to use as much as possible, you know. Yeah. Oh man. Let's find something. I need a wedge. Okay. Not the best wedge, but it's working. Yeah. See? Okay. So this part is clean. This is rubbish, this swirly growth, and I need to remove that part too. And I'm going to do it from this side, so I get to the good wood. Okay, great. So, finally, still a bit of rot here, but it's gonna clean out. and yeah, it's gonna be good. Let's remove this part here like this to see what I have. Oh yeah. So, oh man. So, see, it's a problematic piece of wood, but you can extract a nice part. You see, this is perfectly straight. Awesome. Nice wood here. So, just need to split it like this into cooking spoons. It's going to work fine. Yeah, let's try. So now just to decide whether to split from this side or this side. I think I'm going to split from this side. So let's see for number one how it's going to go. Okay. Yeah, that's going to be a great cookie spoon. See, nice clean one inside. I'm gonna remove. Come on, gravity's killing me. You see this part and this part, and here I'm gonna have a nice cookie spoon, long enough and heavy. So that's one. Let's see if I can get more. Let's remove some of this bark. Wind is really picking up now, so I don't know if you hear anything. Just have to muscle through all this. So, number two. Where's my... Oh, yeah. Yeah, another great piece, you see? Ah, this is all, you can make a nice long cooking spoon. So that's number two. I have axed out as many blanks as I could. I'm having some difficulties filming because the weather is getting worse and it's very windy and problematic, and it's extremely cold. Well, not extremely, but it's cold. So I had problems with the battery dying out. So I have a battery bank, but it won't charge properly in cold. So I have a trick. I put the battery bank in one inner pocket and the camera in the other, and connect them with a USB cable and shut everything in, so my body heat helps it to charge, you know, because batteries won't charge, phone batteries and camera batteries and won't charge well in cold, minus, and so on. So it's a problem. It will charge, but extremely slow. So now I'm a bit recharged though, and I'm ready to do some axing. So what you see today is what you get, you know. This is, I want to show you a bit how it can be, you know, working like this. You have beautiful days, you have worse days, but I'm not bored, you know. So here's a cooking spoon. Let's axe out one. So nice. You see that piece of wood I was splitting earlier. I mean, turned out real nice and straight. So I'm gonna make a nice cooking spoon. I'm gonna do several cooking spoons, some coffee scoops, and so on. So let's go. Okay. Just and also each time you see me, I have more layers on. I had to put on another pair of socks and so on. So because it's cold and this wind is really not a joy. So
Okay, let's do this.
you can hear the wind. And always check above yourself to see if there are any widow makers, especially when it's really like this. So I'm clear, all clear up. So widow makers are trees that, well, or branches that could fall in your head. You see, hence the name, you know. So okay. These cooking spoons are easier to axe out than to split it out. Okay, that's one cooking spoon. And here it is, an hour later. Do you hear anything? Nothing. I mean, it's completely calm and not at all, no wind at all. No rain or nothing, no snow. It's just crazy, you know. Things shift so fast on the mountain, you know, you wouldn't believe. So it's nice and calm now. So just finishing up the last spoons and soon I'll be heading home. So it was a good day. I'm heading back home under the red sky. And the wind has picked up again and it's really cold. It's almost dark now, so last rays of sun coming over the mountain there, and I'm heading home.